back to the channel. Today we are at our Dutchess yard. I'm in our Toolcat and we have a few pieces of equipment here that we have to load on our Freightliner. Luckily this one has the quick coupler plate, so I can just grab it with this machine. The other one we're gonna have to load with the forks, probably skid steer too. I don't know if the Toolcat is strong enough to lift the other one up onto our Freightliner, but we had one of our guys run the Freightliner up here over the weekend for us. That way we can move a bunch of equipment down to our main shop. My father is gonna drive the Freightliner down. His car is actually down at our main shop, so it works out perfect. He doesn't need a ride back here or anything. He can just drive his car back and leave the Freightliner down at our shop once we get down there. Obviously we'll unload everything as well, but we have this push box, which we have not used yet. We have the other yellow Snow Wolf up on the hill there, and then we have a plow for our Ford mason dump that we need to bring down. I don't know if we're bringing anything else. My father is up in his office doing some paperwork right now. He said once we get this stuff loaded to give him a call and he'll come down and go through things with us. So we're gonna get these three things loaded and then see what else has to go down. Probably should put a block under this, but I don't want it to slide. See what happens. You might have to put a block in the arms. The arms might hit the back up. There we go. We're out. Alright, good enough. The arms on the Toolcat barely tapping the side of the Freightliner there. Alright, so I gotta warm the skid steer up. I just started it. The Toolcat won't lift this other Snow Wolf up high enough. It's just not strong enough. These things only have a 1,500 pound lift capability, so this thing's got to be more than 1,500 pounds. It got up like a foot or two in the air, but we do need one of the Western plows out of here. I got to figure out which one it is, then we'll hop in our forklift here and pull it out and get it ready to be loaded. All right guys, so unfortunately the plow is actually over here. It is this one. We write all of the numbers on here, 28B. We actually just sold 28A, which was the other Ford F450 we had. So since it's in the middle, there's a lot more plows going that way. I think what I'm going to do is put the forks on the skid steer, come around here, try and grab this push box. I don't know how well it's going to lift it. We'll move this out of the way, move that other Western, and then we can grab the one that we need. Maybe a key. A blade? Oh yeah. Or a blade, a key.
Oh yeah.
And so a key. This? Yeah. Or this? Blade, a key. Creo eso aquí, el blade aquí. 39. Size. Let's grab the other. Let me get the other and we'll put it. This waste will get it from there.
Para atrás. Ahí, muñeco. Ahí. El front está aquí, muñeco, topando en esto. Pero no importa. Topó en el amarillo. Ya, mira aquí.
All right, guys, we got all of the plows loaded up and strapped down. These two push boxes here up in the front. Everything is good to go. We threw 3 of these Western plows on here. All the straps are nice and tight. I'm gonna follow my dad down and make sure nothing comes loose during the ride, but we should be good to go.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we got the new Tanko plow that I picked up yesterday out of my truck. We did damage the tailgate a bit more. That plow was a little bit too heavy for my truck, but I'm sure if you guys follow my channel, you just look right here, a little bit more damage. We don't need to talk about that. But if you follow my channel, you know that I've been in many less than ideal situations with that truck. But that Tanko plow is gonna go on this new TerraStar here. This came with this tiny little Wausau plow, which, as you can tell, is very small on here. It looks kind of funny. It is definitely smaller than ideal. So that plow is going to get thrown on there. It's actually going to be the next video. I'm going to make a video of us installing that plow on it. But we parked the Freightliner here. Everything is still strapped down nice and tight. It was tight parking it in here with these trucks with the wings and everything. But we got all of these plows plus the two push boxes down here. They did not move at all during the ride. And then in here, I think this door is probably locked. Let's see. Yeah. All right, so in here, if you've never seen this, this is our indoor salt bin, and we got 3 triaxles of salt today. Rodrigo was here this morning. Those guys were at our door at 6:25 this morning, but as you can tell, there is a ton of salt. He pushed it up super nice all the way back here, so it's probably a little bit more than halfway filled, but this goes quick during snowstorms. But I think that is pretty much it for this one. I'm about to go get my lunch and then record the video of us swapping the plows on that TerraStar. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.